Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money with Venmo to your checking account step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Locate the icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Tap on the icon to open the menu. Select Manage Balance from the list of options. You will see your current Venmo balance displayed. To transfer money to your checking account, tap on the Transfer to Bank option. You will then see the option to choose between an instant transfer and a standard transfer. If you choose instant transfer, funds will be available within minutes, but a fee will apply. For a standard transfer, it may take 1 to 3 business days to process, and no fee will apply. Select the preferred transfer option. Now, enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Double-check to ensure you've entered the correct amount. Tap on Transfer to proceed. Follow any prompts to confirm the transfer. You may need to enter your bank account details if you haven't done so already. After confirming, you will see a summary of the transfer. Wait for a notification to confirm your transfer has been processed. You can check the status of your transfer in the Manage Balance section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.